the judgment of the European Court of Human Rights in Klimasenioren. And I think what we saw in the hearings is, and we actually do have a Klimaseniorin right here with us tonight, and why is this important for the advisory opinion as such? It's of course by far not the only important thing, but I get the impression that over the past few days we had sometimes an implicit proxy battle about the narratives of the relevance of human rights in relation that were made in relation to that judgment, although sometimes I will come to that point, it was actually not mentioned. Because it's the first decision on the merits of an international court in which a court found that a state was in breach of its human rights obligations for lack of climate measures. So if that judgment gets downplayed, of course that weakens that alignment that Jory mentioned. However, if it gets emphasized, then it may have a far more important effect. So 3 notable points of, I think, what I saw in relation to Klimasenioren in the hearings. The first, maybe that's the most important message, is that the case has been cited about 50 times by states from all regions, and in the very vast majority of mentions, come to the exceptions, but the vast majority cites that case to emphasize the link between human rights and climate change. So there are references made to positive obligations, to systemic integration of combining the different sources, and to state responsibility. So maybe that's the most important first mention